Hey everyone, imagine you're driving and suddenly your transmission starts acting weird. Rough shifts, slipping gears, or even getting stuck in one gear. You scan your car and there it is, code P0949. This error is linked to the Auto Shift Manual Adaptive Learning System, which helps your transmission adjust to driving habits. If it fails, your car may struggle to shift gears properly. Today I'll explain what P0949 means, where the key sensors and components are located and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0949? DTC P0949 stands for Auto Shift Manual Adaptive Learning Not Complete. This means your transmission hasn't successfully completed the adaptive learning process, leading to poor gear shifts, erratic transmission behavior, and potential performance issues. Common symptoms of P0949. If your car has this code, you may notice hard or delayed shifting, transmission slipping or hesitation, check engine light or transmission warning light limp mode, stuck in one gear, reduced fuel efficiency sensor and component location, very important. To diagnose and fix P0949, locate these critical components: transmission control module, TCM, location, usually found near the engine bay, under the dashboard, or close to the battery. Function, manages transmission behavior and adaptive learning. Shift solenoids, A, B, C, etc. Location, located inside the transmission valve body, which is typically under the transmission pan. Function, controls fluid flow for gear changes. Transmission range sensor, TRS. Location, mounted on the transmission housing, near the gear selector. Function, detects shift lever position and communicates with the TCM, input and output speed sensors. Location, installed on the transmission case near the drive shaft or torque converter. Function, measures engine RPM and transmission speed to ensure proper shifting. Hydraulic pressure sensors. Location, found inside the transmission, near the valve body. Function, monitors fluid pressure levels to assist in adaptive learning. What causes P0949? 1. Incomplete adaptive learning process. The TCM couldn't complete shift adaptation. 2. Faulty shift solenoids. Prevent proper gear changes, affecting learning. 3. Low or contaminated transmission fluid. Causes improper shifting and adaptation failure. 4. Faulty transmission control module, TCM. Incorrectly stores learning data. 5. Bad wiring or connections affects communication between sensors and the TCM. How to fix P0949. Follow these steps to diagnose and repair the issue. Step 1. Perform a transmission relearn procedure. Use a diagnostic scanner to reset adaptive learning. Some cars require a specific driving cycle to relearn shifts. Step 2. Check transmission fluid. Ensure the fluid is at the correct level and isn't dirty or burnt. If needed, change the transmission fluid and filter. Step 3. Inspect shift solenoids. Remove the transmission pan and test solenoids using a multimeter. Replace any defective solenoids. Step 4. Test the transmission control module, TCM. If the TCM is faulty, you may need reprogramming or replacement. Step 5. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for loose or damaged wiring around the TCM, shift solenoids and sensors. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to clear the code. Perform a test drive to ensure smooth shifting. Final words. If you're dealing with P0949, it means your transmission's adaptive learning process is incomplete, which can lead to harsh shifts and drivability issues. Fix it ASAP to avoid long-term transmission problems. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0764, shift solenoid D performance stuck off. P0765, shift solenoid D malfunction. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.